Today we will be testing the SuperTrend Any Indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the SuperTrend Any Indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 64 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 870 indicators, with 364 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 60 of the winning indicators. 24 of them have been able to maintain the winning status. The best two, a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today we are testing the SuperTrend Any Indicator. And so you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And basically what this indicator does is it allows you to map the super trend with the source of other indicators. And so if I pull up the settings here, you can see that the indicator here is creating the super trend of the RSI, and you can see that there are a few other options here that you can select. Now the name is a little bit deceiving in that you can't super trend any indicator. You can only super trend the indicators here that it allows you to select from this particular list, and the default is the RSI, and again you can see it here on screen now. And we might end up testing this through the other indicators and see what all of them can do, but for now we're obviously going to just test it using the RSI super trend. And so you can see here that we are obviously getting those very distinctive buy and sell signals that we get from the RSI. And as you can probably guess, when we get a sell signal, we are going to go short. When we get a buy signal, we are going to go long. So pretty simple. That's how we're going to test it today. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. Alright, so we're going to pick up the first signal right here. It's going to be a sell signal. You can see that sell tag that we get right there from the super trend. We get a little bit of a push to the downside there. Let's see if it's enough to get us to our take profit. Yep, we were able to get to our take profit on that one. So let's go ahead and continue on. All right, the next signal that we're going to pick up is a buy signal. Again, you can see that we get that buy tag right there on that one. Unfortunately, though, we do get a pretty sharp correction pullback here, drop to the downside. Let's go ahead and measure that out. Looks like it may have stopped us out. Yep, unfortunately, that one does stop us out there. So let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we pick up another sell signal right here on this one. You can see that sell tag right there. Let's go ahead and measure this out. Looks like we were able to, yep, just barely get to our take profit before it then bounces right here and starts to make its way back up there. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way, well, it looks like we are pretty much at the end of the year. So let's just go ahead and play it forward here. Just go ahead and knock out. We're not getting a lot of signals. So, all right, that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. So this is our Discord server here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free. You're welcome to join and take part in most of the conversations here in all these free channels. But we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some great advanced information that we're putting out for everyone to see. For example, Sasquatch here is an amazing Forex prop trader. He's putting up charts like this on a regular basis where he's marking out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, sometimes even where he is looking to enter a trade. And he is constantly giving some really great, awesome advice to everybody, showing really how to mark up a chart using price action kind of pattern setups, wedges, support and resistance, all kinds of great stuff. Our newest admin here is Mike from Upright Trading. Does a really great job of helping people out on indicators. He's got quite a few indicators that he has created himself. Some are paid, some are free, but all of them are really, really great indicators. He really goes above and beyond to make sure that he's constantly updating the indicators, looking at new ways to improve the indicators, and just in general helping people, giving them on advice on how to use his indicators as well as other indicators as well, not just his own. Very, very knowledgeable when it comes to indicators. And just all around, it's a great environment where everybody's helping everybody out, supporting everybody, giving everybody advice, and just really uplifting each other and helping everybody become better traders. I highly recommend that you join us. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our indicators. So we got the 3 trades there, and out of those 3 trades, we got 2 winning trades. And so that is going to put us at the 60% criteria, over that 60% criteria that we are looking for. All in all, an interesting indicator. I think it definitely wish it gave more trades within the 1 year's time. But kind of more concerning is the fact that it seems to be giving us signals right at the very end of these trend moves, and even on this one, literally at the top of this move right here. And so that is a tad bit worrisome. We obviously want to be able to get into these trend direction shifts a lot earlier, maybe not at the exact top or bottom, but at least a little ways into it, we should be jumping on to these trend changes. But it seems like this one is throwing signals at the very, very end of these trend changes. And so that can be a little problematic. Obviously, we'll put it through more thorough testing in the advanced testing stage once we get to this one. But for now, it is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.